You have probably read many articles and visited many websites in search of weight loss tips. Once you read these articles, my guess is all of them have some weight loss tip about eating something healthy, or when to eat, or what percentage times each day to eat. While all of those weight loss tips are great and really valid, you almost certainly have them committed to memory. So instead of repeat an equivalent weight loss tip stating to eat low-fat foods and limit the sugar intake, these weight loss tips are all non-food related tips. These weight loss tips will assist you to get within the weight loss mindset, plan for it, and provides you the proper weight loss motivation to succeed in your goal. Weight loss tip number 1: Want it. You are probably thinking to yourself, I might not be reading this text if I didn't want it. Well, repeatedly people will attempt to reduce, but because they think others feel they ought to reduce. To actually achieve success at weight loss, you've got to require it for yourself. The mind may be a powerful tool and may either be helpful in your go after weight loss or are often harmful. Take a while to actually believe what you would like out of your weight loss journey. Where is it you would like to be? Think in terms of a healthy weight loss and therefore the weight that's right for you. Weight loss tip number 2: Set a goal. Once you recognize you would like it, now set a goal. Write your goal down and keep it during a place that's visible to you every day. Make one large goal and a number of other smaller goals sort of a weekly or monthly goal. Make your goal realistic. Remember, the load didn't come on overnight, and doubtless won't come off overnight. Most experts will tell you a slow but steady weight loss is the best for taking it off and keeping it off. Weight loss tip number 3: Make changes. Now that you simply have your plan, start to form the acceptable changes in your lifestyle to succeed in your goal. Try making 1 or 2 changes hebdomadally or every other week. Because the new change becomes a natural thing, make another change. Maybe you begin by changing the way you propose meals. Make a menu plan, then buy the things you would like, selecting healthier foods or more veggies. Get the entire family involved and introduce them to your new healthy foods for dinner. Weight loss tip number 4: Keep a diary. Keeping a weight loss journal or diary may be a good way to stay your mind on your weight loss goals. Your weight loss journal is often anything you would like it to be. Maybe you would like to trace the foods and calorie content or your exercise routines, or both. Jotting down your thoughts and the way you are feeling every day also will assist you to spot certain emotional eating habits. If you had a nasty day, don't beat yourself up and feel guilty. Instead, write it down in your journal, then write a positive notation about how tomorrow is going to be. Get your mind back to being positive and do not linger over the negative. Weight loss tip number 5: Track it. There is nothing more motivational than seeing your progress. By tracking your weight loss progress, you'll have a visible aid to point out you ways you're doing. Your final goal could also be how off, and this will be discouraging. So, once you feel yourself feeling like there's without stopping to your weight loss journey, take a glance at your weight loss chart. Albeit it's only 5 pounds thus far or only 1/2 pound in the week, it's still a loss and price celebrating. Remember, the chart might not always be getting in the proper direction. That's okay, just make adjustments to your decision to get you back on the losing trail.